In this FreeCAD tutorial, you learn how to model this pet bottle by using tools like Revolve, Pocket, and Pattern. Let's start in the Part Design workbench and create a new sketch for the bottle shape with this button. Then select the XZ plane to sketch on. Now select the Polyline tool. You can zoom out a little if you want to make the sketch a little bigger. The coordinates provide an indication of your location within the area. Start sketching the following shape. Each time you click, a new line will be created. Create a total of 5 straight lines. Then press the M key 3 times to create an arc. Click on the first vertex you created to close the contour. Right-click twice to exit the Polyline tool. Select the Dimension tool. Click on this line and drag the mouse. Click again, enter 18 mm, and press Enter to apply. Make this vertical line 20 mm long. Also add dimensions to these 3 lines. The sketch is fully constrained, which you can see here. Click on Close to exit the sketch. The sketch of the bottle shape is finished now. It will be rotated around this vertical axis. Click on Revolution to do this. It's already rotated 360 degrees. To show how this tool works, change it to 180 degrees. You can flip the direction by checking the reversed box. Change it back to 360 degrees and click on OK to apply. Consider subscribing if you like my content. Thanks. Now create another sketch. Select the XZ plane to sketch on and click on the Circle tool to select it. Start sketching on the origin. Enter a diameter of 25 mm and press Enter to apply. Click on Close to exit the sketch. Select the Pocket tool to cut it out. For the type, select Through All. Check Symmetric to Plane to cut it to both sides. Here you can see how that looks. Click on OK to apply. Select the pocket in the tree and click on the Polar Pattern button. Enter 90 degrees for the angle. Also select the vertical sketch axis. It's this blue axis. Click on OK to apply. Select these 4 edges while holding the Control key. Then select the Fillet tool. Enter a radius of 5 mm and click on OK to apply. Now select these 4 faces while holding the Control key. And select the Fillet tool again. Enter a radius of 4 mm. When you click here, for example, you can preview it instead of clicking OK directly. Click on OK to apply. Select this edge and go to the Fillet tool. Enter a radius of 25 mm and click on OK to apply. Now click on the top face and go to the Thickness tool. The shape will now be hollow. Enter a thickness of 1.5 mm. Leave the other settings as they are. Changing these settings can cause some problems, such as a very thin wall. So change it back to arc and click on OK to apply. So the basic bottle shape is finished. But let's change the appearance, like transparency. Right-click on the body and select Appearance. Here you can change the transparency of the model. By clicking in the area, you can see how transparent it will become. Click on the body again to change the transparency to another value. Click on Close to exit the Appearance menu. So the bottle model has been finished. Keep watching, maybe you're interested in some of my other channels. You might also want to check out my 3D printing channel. See you there. And if you like music, you might also want to check out this channel.